Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to create an Amazon account without a phone number. So this is helpful for anyone who wants to make a basic Amazon account using just an email address. Amazon may still ask for a phone number later for security reasons, but during the first part of the sign up process, there is a way to continue with only an email. So to start, open up your web browser and go to Amazon. Once the page loads, move to the accounts and list section so that you can get to the sign in page. If needed, you can also scroll down and choose the country or region where you want to use Amazon. After that, open the sign in page, and once you're here, choose to sign up with your email. Enter your email address and tap continue. On the next page, it will say looks like you're new to Amazon, and from there tap proceed to create an account. Now all you have to do here is to enter your first name, create your password, and re-enter the same password to confirm it. And once everything is filled out, click the button to verify your email. After that, check your inbox because Amazon will send you a one-time code. Enter that code on the verification screen and then submit it. After that, just complete the next step on the screen and your basic Amazon account will be ready. Thank you so much for watching. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button below and I will see you on the next video.